fuck the world, I'm a walking erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how Brent is.
Come up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him, fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You bluffed on him, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience?
Okay, I'm gonna give you a present before I start you because I'm excited. You ready?
You want me to open it now?
Yeah. It's heavy, so.
It is. It look heavy.
Keep going. There's a lot of shit in there. I'm gonna send it to your mom. Keep going. There's a lot of shit in there.
Oh, it is. It's a lot. Oh my goodness. And there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is not for the clients. This is for me. I gotta look at myself.
Bye.
Oh my gosh. There's so much stuff in here.
So now you got you a little starter kit with all the stuff I use. Yes, baby.
I have my stuff right here.
Oh my
Okay.
goodness. Why you got me a feet going? It's a feet going.
It's literally everything you need in there. That's just some extra cute stuff. Yeah, that's for you. But you got your shining gem. Keep digging. There's a lot of stuff in there.
Hey, what's up, sweetheart? How you doing?
Good. How are
You
you?
went for a ride, Juice?
He told me I was embarrassing him.
Oh.
Why?
Because I was like, Mother, are you excited? He was like, no.
Ah.
Mommy was embarrassing you.
Is this it? Oh my goodness.
That's it. Yeah, it's an
Can you
edge
put the
scarf.
bars on now?
There's all kind of stuff in there.
It is.
So you got your own little starter kit. The more you dig, the more stuff
Thank
you'll find.
you.
You're so welcome.